Welcome to RealBooks. Got multiple stock journal entries to be posted in RealBooks? Save your time with our Excel upload feature in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the Excel import template. Step 2. Prepare the data in the prescribed format. Step 3. Upload the files. And it is done. Let's understand the process with an example. But first, download the template. Go to Transactions, Import Export, Import. Select Inventory Voucher and click on Download Template. Once you open the Excel file, you see multiple sheets in the workbook. Each sheet has its own significance, and all of them are interconnected with each other. To start with, you need to fill in the data in the first sheet, which is the voucher sheet. The logic is that each row of one voucher will have the same voucher serial number. Enter the voucher serial number, the voucher date. Enter the number under voucher number column. Enter the voucher type as stock journal. This name must be the same as what it is in RealBooks. This will allow the system to identify the correct voucher while posting the transaction. Type the company GST number. Moving to the next sheet, item part. This captures the item details against the vouchers. As specified earlier, the sheets will be interconnected via the voucher serial number. Enter the voucher serial number as it is in the voucher sheet. Then, enter item serial name, go down name, item name, unit, quantity, rate and amount. You can also put discount rate if needed. In entry type column, which is for marking the item as consumption or production item. Enter C if you want mark this item as consumption or P for production. Once done, the Excel is to be uploaded. Click on Choose File, select the file, and click on Upload. Once the file gets uploaded, you will be redirected to the import listing page. The upload status can be checked from there. On successful uploading, the status will be shown as success. Feel free to contact us in case you have any queries. Thanks for watching.